Okay, so this is the chicken tractor by the PVC and the cattle fence. And I always try to build a chicken tractor. Seems a good idea. And so after research a lot, PVC chicken tractor, so I come out this idea. So the bottom is gonna be 3-inch PVC pipe with some fitting. Idea is using this 3-inch PVC pipe as a base for easy to pull, and also I can get the water from here. Hopefully will become that area with 1.5 inches hole, so chicken can drink the water from there. In the end, I have a outlet to clean up the water on both sides. Okay, so I haven't finished this one yet, so later I'm gonna put the chicken wire on outside and try to create a door in the front. And since I'm gonna use a lot of extra material in our property, so I think the finished product won't be looking very good because I'm using the waste material. Before that, so I take this video just showing the idea. Maybe you can come out even better idea. And I will list all of the material I bought from Homedepot and Tractor Supplies in the description. So I think this is pretty good. A little bit heavier, but thinking about the strength of the structure and the available of the material, maybe the upper structure maybe can use in a thinner wire gauge maybe. Anyway, so this is the one unfinished product, just give you an idea. Okay.